In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate materials by using a UV project modifier. I can also manually move the material around by using a reference empty object like this. I'll hide the objects and show you how this animation was created from scratch. Let's create a plane. I'll add a color grid material. We need an empty object. On the plane, let's add a UV project modifier. If we move the empty object, the material will follow. What I did to make the material rotate was to add a follow path constraint to the empty object. I made it follow a curved circle. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.